Good morning. Okay, today we're going to be working on strategies for adding decimals. And what we have here on this sheet is, this is a decimal model. Okay, so this is broken, as you know, decimals are tenths and hundredths. So this is a hundredths model for a decimal. So what I'm going to be showing you today is we're going to start with 43 hundredths. So we're going to write it as 43 hundredths. The 3 goes in the hundredths place. And now what we're going to do is we're going to color in 43 hundredths on this decimal model. Okay, so you know that one row is 1/10 of this. Okay, so that's 10 out of 100. Do another row, it's 20 out of 100. Another row, 30 out of 100. Another row, 40 out of 100. And then you're going to color in 3. Okay, so there is 43 hundredths, and we've done that in yellow. All right, now I'm going to ask you to add to 43 hundredths. I want you to add 18 hundredths. Put a 0 in the ones place, add your decimal, and 18. So you're going to add 18 hundredths to it, and let's see what you get. So I'm going to use another color. I'm going to use orange, and I'm going to simply start counting on, and I'm going to color in 18 ones. So the best thing for you to do is to just color in this row right here and see how much that is first. So finish this row. So that is 7 hundredths. Now you can add on to it. Add 10 more. 7 plus 10 more is 17. And we know we're only going to 18, so we're just going to color in one more. Okay? So I have 43 hundredths in yellow, I have 18 hundredths in orange. Now, how much is this all together? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 61. So when you add these two together, you get 61 hundredths. Okay? So what if you didn't want to write out all those models and everything? Okay, so what would you do then? All right, so step 1, write this down here for your standard algorithm. Step 1, line up the decimals. Okay, so what that means, if you've got 43 hundredths, you're going to put your decimal and 43, and then underneath it you're going to put your 18 hundredths directly underneath it. The decimal is going to be lined up in the same place. 18 hundredths, just like that. Okay, step 2, add like you would with whole numbers. So step 2 is just to add. All right, so let's do that. 4 plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. And then step 3 is to just drop the decimal point. Basically what you do is you just bring this decimal point straight down in your answer, just like that. So I'm going to call that drop the decimal down. And it's super simple, okay? So you're dropping the decimal down, and so your answer is 61 hundredths. Easy enough? All right, now we're going to talk about subtracting decimals next. All right, love you guys. Bye.